Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my lunch is boiled chicken and veggies. Ingredients: Chinese cabbage 250 gram, chicken, white meat of chicken 170 gram, mushroom 150 gram, sugar tablespoon 2, potato starch, Katakuriko, properly, juice stock 100 milliliters, sake for cooking tablespoon 1, soy sauce tablespoon 1, salt and pepper properly. How to cook it? 1. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the white meat properly. 2. Cover the white meat with Katakuriko. 3. Put sugar, juice stock, soy sauce and sake into a pan, then boil them. 4. After boiling, seasonings, add the white meat, Chinese cabbage, and mushroom into the pan. 5. Boil them for 5 minutes. That's all for my cooking today. Let's start cooking. Turn on the fire. Boil seasonings. After boiling seasonings, add white meat of chicken, and Chinese cabbage, hakusai. This is mushroom. Mix them. Boil them for 5 minutes. It smells good. ready for eating. Just turn off the gas. There is my lunch. Is completed. This is side dish. Fried chicken with veggies. Main dish, steamed rice. As usual, it's time to eat. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.